Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to the special series of EDAPT. Today we have with us Mayuri, who is working as a quality assurance analyst in a famous pharmaceutical company in Germany, and she's been staying there for 5 years. So let us get to know her more, and let's learn about her and her experience. Hi Mayuri, how are you?
Hi, Akansha. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Tell us a little about yourself and how is life in Germany? How are you doing there?
So I've been born to start with. I've been born and brought up in Mumbai, in India,
Okay,
and I did my bachelor's in India from Mumbai University in microbiology. And as just as
interesting.
a hobby, in my graduation, like in my undergrad, I learned German language from my university, and
Nice.
I kind of enjoyed it. So in my following summer break, I decided to join Max Muller because
Okay,
the only one where you could learn German very well. So I went there and I joined it and I did three levels, all
okay,
the three ones, like exactly the basic ones what you need over here
okay.
to have a smooth sailing integration into Germany. So I did my B1 and then I continued my bachelor's for 2 years. I worked in India for 1 year, and
Oh,
after
nice.
3.5 years of learning German, I still had the feeling of coming here. So I applied for universities and I got in at one of the universities, which I'll share in some time with you, which
Yes,
is
yes,
and everything. And
yes,
here I
yes,
am
definitely.
5 years down the line. So, yes.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you
Thank-
and all the very best of whatever you're doing. So,
yeah.
yeah, as you said, tell us a little about what made you choose Germany as the country for your work and what was your application process or the entire process
Mhm.
which you went through for choosing the college and everything else. Tell
Yeah.
us a
So,
little about that.
yeah, sure. So basically, as I said, that the language kind of pulled me to do it. And also another plus point of Germany is that you need just 12 plus 3, that is just 3 years of education after your 12th grade to apply for masters, which is
Okay,
plus 1 point because in US all the universities need plus 4. So
okay,
usually people who have done BSc and courses graduation apart from engineering, I think people who have done
yes,
other courses apart from engineering find it difficult to go to the US because you have
right,
to
yes,
actually finish 1 year again in India and then again apply. So that's, I think it's waste of time to do
right,
that.
right.
So Germany had that plus point. So it was easier for me to just, have do my bachelor's and apply to Germany. And I knew that I would be accepted. And it's like all over Germany the same rule. It
Oh, good.
doesn't matter which course you're coming, but it should be specifically 12 plus 3 is the minimum requirement.
Right,
And
good.
for my university, there was a requirement for B1, which I already had.
Okay,
But
nice,
not many
nice.
universities have that requirement. I think as of now, most of them don't have it. But
Okay,
I think it's very important for a person to know the language because you deal with that in your day to day life, and which
right.
is, it comes handy basically.
Yes, yes.
Right. And this was my whole, motivation towards coming here. It wasn't very complicated. Also, I did it everything by myself.
That's
Definitely,
cool.
find information from scratch. It does become problematic because you have to actually read articles, understand
Yes,
things because not
yes, right,
many
right.
people at that time, like if I see 6 years back when I applied, not many people were in Germany. There were
Okay,
just two,
okay.
three friends I had, but they were from engineering background. So,
Right,
not
right.
much of help
It,
for me because I come from life science and, another
correct,
background.
correct. Yes.
So, yeah, but it was pretty smooth. I wouldn't say I had like major hurdles. The application process was also very self-explanatory on the websites and everything. So
That's
I
great.
find it smooth for at least for me. So I would
Yeah,
say, yeah.
great, 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 great. So, good to know that your entire journey till now was like really smooth, and you finally all your hard work and the efforts paid off, and you're working there and settled now almost for 5 years. So, really
Yeah.
good. So, tell us a little about how German people are. I mean, coming from a country like India, where all the festivals and it's are celebrated joyously and everybody is so lively, and I don't know how German people are and how welcoming they are to people
Yeah.
coming from a background like us. And what were
Mhm.
the challenges that you faced initially? Were you like homesick, or did you feel like left out, or something of that sort? Yeah.
Yeah.
What were your initial? Were you like in a culture shock that where have I come? Oh God. Oh.
Luckily, that did happen to me. But yes, I was kind of depressed in the initial 1 or 2 months because it was like winter time. Because every year in fall you come to Germany as that's the intake time, and it
Okay.
would just get the sun would set at 3:30 or 4 in the evening, and it's
Oh
like
my God.
completely dark, and you knew, right? So you're trying to understand everything, and then you have to deal with the light saving and all of that and things like
With the gloomy weather and all the
that.
darkness
For me,
around.
that was kind of weird because being from Mumbai city, I'm so used to that constant noise, even
Noise and rush.
yeah, on my street of my apartment, that like 12 o'clock also there are people,
There
or
are
some
people going around. Yes.
anybody post 6 o'clock or something, and like the
Yeah.
streets are empty. So that was kind of weird, but I think I have come across German people, and they're all of were of my age, but we were such a multi, I don't know, like nationality, cultural, like we were all
Cultural,
from different countries, and we had
different cultures.
her. So everybody was
Yes.
inquisitive to know what everybody, like what is
Yeah, the
everyone's
person has to offer. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yes. Yes.
So
Nice.
that kept me connected, and that made
Connected.
me integrate really well. So at a student level, I think you gel up quickly. But I don't know how it would be when you come to Germany at a professional level, because
Right. Right.
you've not had any sort of education, so you've not met a lot of people. So what you do is, like, it becomes difficult to integrate because people already at a certain age have their own life and everything.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, but
Yes.
as students, you can squeeze in and make yourself comfortable. And also,
It becomes.
really, yeah, I felt that it was very easy. And I had the first friend, if I have to remember, is a German friend, and she's still my very good friend. Like
That's
for
really nice.
on
Yes.
different ways, she is doing something else. I'm doing something else. But yeah, so they are pretty
Really
warm.
sweet.
They are really sweet. There's a
Yes.
total misconception about Germany.
Yes, probably, yeah. There is one something key. They're not very welcoming, but it's good to know that you have had a good experience. So yeah,
Yeah,
good.
definitely. I have hands down very good experience, and both also in my professional and my college life, I had really good experiences. So yeah.
So how important is knowing the language if you're planning to study in a country like Germany? I mean, US and Canada are the places wherein they are English speaking people.
Yeah,
And in India, generally in metro cities, people speak English. So language is not the barrier. But in a
no.
country like Germany, wherein the language is totally different and difficult to learn, also, what I've heard. So,
So
how do you feel that how important it is for anyone who's planning to know the language? Like,
yeah,
does it
true.
make your job easier if you come there, and how prepared one should be if
No,
they are
definitely
in?
makes your life easier if you know the language. But what is happening now, I see in Germany is like not most of the universities are asking for students to know German. Okay,
Okay,
they
okay.
always, like now the courses don't have German as a compulsory requirement. So
Nice, nice.
it's because somewhere also that Germany wants to integrate with other countries.
Yes,
That could be
right.
like a thing, but that is limited only till a student level. Because when you
Okay.
look out for maybe internships or you look out for jobs, people are definitely going to ask you that how much do you
You
know
should
German?
be knowing.
And they're going to,
Yes, right.
in my experience of listing out or searching internships or job opportunities, I did not come across any job description which said that we do not need German. It would
Right.
always be we need English, but German
Is
proficiency
a
would also
must.
be a plus.
Plus,
So
yes.
basically, little things. the normal
Matter.
conversations
Yes.
and all, it does happen in German. So you need to understand, and you might
Yes.
miss out on those internship opportunities, just because you don't know the language. And I
Oh,
think it's
yeah.
not that difficult to learn the language. Like when you are 17, 18, you decide you want to go out for whatever masters or something, it just takes you like 3 or 4 months to learn a language if you're
Yeah,
doing
right.
it continuously. So I myself took 3 months, and that stayed with me for 4 years, because just learning for 3 months, after 4 years, I came to Germany. So,
Yeah.
when you're young, you are very sharp and your memory is
Sharp,
strong.
yes.
So
You're, you absorb things faster.
yeah, I think with age, maybe your grasping skills become little
Grasping skills a
lesser.
little less.
So
Yeah.
definitely, but I think that it is actually a must. Like I always recommend. I have few friends who have come to Germany from India, from my specific batch after I went to Germany.
Okay.
So I always told them that I will tell you, please learn German. So they
Yeah.
all enroll themselves. Either do 2 levels, 3 levels, or 1 level, but just get introduced to the language.
Introduced to the
So
language.
when
Yes.
from here you start relating that, oh, I have heard this word, oh, I know
Yes.
this word, and that
And it makes your
motivates.
life easier.
Yeah,
It makes your life easier. Yeah.
yeah, it makes your life easier. So you see things in grocery and you're like, oh, I read this somewhere. So it makes a lot of difference.
Yes,
So
definitely, definitely. Small, small things in
I
day-to-day life.
everybody should learn the language, at least start somewhere and then come to Germany, because then life is
Right.
definitely easy.
Yes, yes, yes. Great. So another thing that so you said that throughout in your 5 years and a year before that, where you were planning or preparing yourself or doing already work related to your application process and work related to your colleges. So do you
Yeah.
think that if you've had like a platform like EDAT at that time, would it have helped you or made your life or make your work a little easier for you because you would have like good contacts? Do you feel that something like that?
Yeah, I do feel that, because I also and like I am on EDAP just to get a idea, like how things
Yeah.
work. So just to check everything, it does make a big difference, because now there are people like me. I could
Okay.
contribute on EDAP now, and maybe
Yes.
because of my experience and contribution, somebody is aspiring to come to Germany, it would really
Right.
help that person a lot.
Yes.
I might
Yes.
have a lot of positives, negatives. There would be somebody, this actually helps, and this somewhere failed in that, like 6 years back, because there were not even consultancies who were,
Offer.
yeah, who were actually giving this service of Germany to apply for Germany. They were
Right.
always for New Zealand, Australia, USA, but Germany ke liye, there was nobody actually. So
Right.
I feel that. Yes, definitely. If something like this was there, it would have made a lot of difference. Like,
And
you get certain
something.
tracking basically. Like,
Yes.
okay, what your research is, it is, given some sort of a back end support that, okay, what you have searched is right, or maybe it's wrong, and you're getting a perspective about it, which is, I
Yes.
think, very important. Yeah.
Yes. That's really good. And it's kind of like some from your part giving back to the community where
Yeah,
helping
definitely.
people and who are planning
Yeah.
to come. So
Yeah,
yes,
because I feel
definitely.
like now a lot of people are thinking of coming to Germany. There are so many people I know who are coming to Germany, and I
There
think
is
that is
attraction to
clear.
Germany now. Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
so in the past 3 years, I've noticed, like, I get emails, like, people come on our
Asking you about, yeah.
college websites and everything, and they see us in the alumni, and they're like, oh, Indian, okay. And then they would drop in an email, that, oh, I'm coming for this, because your
Yes.
community looks out
Even
for
yes, even a
right?
little advice or a little something that okay, there is somebody like me who's already there, or maybe like-minded, that gives you the person a
Yeah. Like,
confidence.
I think no, most of the people don't have questions about the course. They have the question about the culture, the
Right.
living, the job opportunities, because that is
Accommodation
something,
and
yeah,
other things, yeah.
exactly, because that is something which is not highlighted everywhere, right? Because Germany
Yes.
is not very, and at least to the Indian community, if I have to point out, not a lot of students have thought about going to Germany. It is just
Okay.
lately when these things have happened, when they have reduced the restrictions of knowing the language.
Okay.
So
Okay. Nice. Nice.
yeah, but I think
Great, great, great. Yes, great to know. Okay, so just one last advice if you'd like
yeah.
to give to people, probably in German, if that possible. No,
I
no
would
pressure, no pressure,
like
but anything, yeah. To
Yeah,
the
I
people
would
who
just
are
like
wanting to
to
come.
say, like what I've said, like in the past few minutes also, that I think language is very important. Just because the university is not asking you or not making it a mandatory requirement, don't let, sideline that thing, because you would be actually thankful for yourself to learn the language, because it's that important. Like maybe you join the course and you get an internship in next 3 4 months, because of the language you don't want to lose it. So
Yeah,
I think,
right.
you
Definitely.
know yeah, and everybody wants some side cash also, right, when you are a
Definitely.
international
Students.
student. So
Yes.
I think learning the language, anyways, it would save you a lot of time, because job search is also not, it's a very tedious thing over here in Germany.
Definitely.
You won't
Yes, yes.
get easily. They are going to ask you for the language. So I think learning the language is the must from my side. Rest all, I think everybody can manage. That's pretty easy.
Great, great. Thank you, Mayuri, for taking out time for your schedule and letting us and enlightening us about the importance of language. And I can definitely see the passion that you yourself have that for language. So I'm sure it's going to
Yeah.
inspire a lot of people who want to travel to Germany. Thank you so much for taking out your time and sharing your experiences with us.
Yeah.
And it was
Thank
really nice talking to you. And I'm
you.
hoping people will learn a lot from this.
Yeah,
So,
same here, same here. I'm actually glad to be a part of EDAPT, and I hope that maybe my experiences, or I could also be help to somebody who is, heading
definitely,
out and
definitely,
just going to start their careers or life in Germany. So
definitely. I am very sure people, your story and your passion is infectious and it makes people like that I also want to learn German and I also want to go. So it's good. And I feel that it's because of people like you who have settled over there and doing good in their lives that makes people that probably will inspire young people that if they can do it, then we can also do it. And the
yes,
whole purpose of our platform is that only that to bring
yeah,
the to maybe lower the gap or the
yeah,
between people who are already there too, so that
yes,
their life becomes easier.
yeah,
So yes,
definitely. And
so
it's like
yes,
easy for every age group, I would say, a professional, a starter, it doesn't matter. So I think hope your platform also helps a lot of people in achieving what they
yes,
want.
that's the intent. That's the intent. We're hoping for the best.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much again. Have a great day ahead and you take care.
Yeah, thank you.